I know I'm wearing a cardigan and I feel cozy and cute, but y'all, it's 78 degrees, but it's not just 78 degrees, it's humid. It's humid. I want today to feel like a cute vlog. I don't know, it feels like it's a cloudy day, and I love cloudy days. Cloudy days are my favorite kind of days. And I'm going to school at 7:30 in the morning. I'm about to leave. I made my coffee. I have some snacks because my drive is an hour. So you guys are gonna come with me today. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I know that the American roommate experiment came out today. So maybe I'll go to the bookstore and you guys will come with me. But I'm going to school. I need to go to my 9:30 class and then my 11 a.m. class. So it's time to go, and I'm gonna play my rainy day playlist because it's also cloudy and rainy. I could play my autumn playlist, but I could also play my rainy day playlist, and if I play my rainy day playlist, the vibes will be perfect. Let's see. Wait. Have you guys seen that trend on TikTok to this song? Oh my god, I swear, I cry like forever, every single day because of it. Like the second I get on TikTok, I see those videos and I start crying, and it's so me. Like, okay, I'm gonna see how long my camera will last there, and we'll go from there. This drive is like a million years. I'm gonna take down my camera actually. Okay, well, welcome to today's vlog. I hope it's a good one, and I hope you guys enjoy it. My name is Joanna, if you're new here. It feels like a good day. I woke up on time. I'm leaving my house on time. So hopefully it's a really good day. But you guys will come with me today, and I hope it feels cozy, because that's how I feel today. So get the American roommate experiment or something like that. Experiment? I thought it was the American roommate experience. Turns out it's experiment, I think. No idea. But yeah, I'm gonna get Starbucks there because, guys, yesterday Melody, my friend Melody, Bookish Melody on TikTok and Instagram, and yeah, she told me that, because we love to share what we drink in a day. Every time we go to Starbucks, every time we get coffee, we tell each other. So she sent me a picture of her she had gotten a iced pumpkin spice latte with vanilla cold foam, and she said it was good, but it was not strong enough. So I was like, anyway, I get one, but instead of just a pumpkin spice latte with vanilla cold foam, I got it with an extra shot. It was delicious. So yeah, I will update you guys as the day goes by. It's a good day.
Turn right onto Boca Chica.
And I got some books. I'm gonna give you guys a quick haul because I need to go to work. But I haven't read the series, but I now have all 3. This is a final gambit. And I actually really, as soon as I finish the Shatter Me series, I think I'm gonna start this series. Because it's only 3 books. That's the final book. Of course, I had to get the American Roommate Experiment. The reason I went to Barnes & Noble and accidentally spent more than I needed. Why doesn't it focus? There. She's gorgeous. I can't wait to read it. And then Rock, Paper, Scissors by Alice Feeney. I think this is like a mystery or thriller. Mystery, I believe. And yeah, that's my haul. I only got 3 books because, actually, no. This is a lot of books. I limited myself because sometimes I go a little overboard. But let's taste my coffee. This is gonna be my 2nd coffee of the day because I'm insane. Oh my god, it's strong. Okay, it's good. It just needs more ice. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul and my I made it home. It's 4:30. I'm whispering because my brother's like right there. I'm so tired. This day was so long and it still hasn't ended. I still have to do some work for my class tomorrow. I have to do some readings and I'm exhausted, but it's a fun time. I love reading. Yeah, this vlog's not over though, so